Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to
speed up time.
Magical. How to speed up time. In this video you'll learn all about quantum mechanics, astrophysics and speedy uppiness. You will not learn how to go back in time. Why would you want to go back in time anyway though? You've been there before, you know what it's all about. It's in the past. It's pointless really, just let it go. Instead, you'll be learning all about the future and how to get there really quickly. So let's do that. So in order to speed up time, you just simply need to get yourself one of these. Now, what on earth is this, you may ask? Well, it is in fact a remote, containing an advanced light-speed photon quartz boosting microchip. You should be able to get yours from a local supermarket. Just make sure to get the time-altering remote and not a regular remote. That is a big mistake a lot of people make. A regular remote will not speed up time as quickly and generally only works to change programs on your television. There is a really good way to determine what kind of remotes that you've purchased, and the way you do that is by looking at the bottom of the remote here, just below the brand, and here it should say TV. Now if it says TV at the bottom here, then that is the correct remote, that is what you're after, because TV stands for transporting vroom. Also, if you turn the remote the other way like this, and you open this lid here, this should happen. And if this doesn't happen, then you've probably been scammed and you should probably call the FBI as soon as possible to get a refund. The next step will simply be to press the OK button, which is located here, on the remote, and time will speed up. So let's just give that a go and see what will happen. Just press OK now. It's working. Time's going really fast. Going so fast. How did I get here so quick? Wow. This is unbelievable. Can't believe this. I'm going so quickly. Whoa. This is amazing. And I'm back here on my chair in no time at all. That was incredible. Now there's other cool features of this remote as well. If you press this button here, then you can even skip parts of your life. Let's say you've gone out on a first date with someone and you find out that you're actually related to them. Well, what you need to do is simply press this button here and you can simply skip past that traumatic event. Just make sure not to press this button too hard, otherwise you could end up skipping other parts of your life that you didn't want to skip. It's just something to be aware of. So let's just press this button now and see what happens. Oh my goodness, I'm all the way over here. How's that even possible? Let's skip another section of life now. Now, once you get good at using this remote, you should be able to skip loads of situations out and you can speed up time and it should look something like this. And just like that, a complicated situation like opening the window has become so fast, so speedy, and you've got the remote to thank for that. Thank you, remote. Now, as promised, I will teach you all about quantum mechanics and astrophysics. So here it is. And that completes the video on how to speed up time. If you were... It's just because the... And that's why I... And that's why she punched me, but I didn't mean... So I look forward to seeing you all later. Goodbye. I'm a bit sleepy now, so I think I'm going to have a quick power nap, maybe like a 10-minute power nap, and go from there. So, see you later. This outro is boring. Nobody wants to see it. Let's skip it. That's better.